Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing the mesh. Use a 1-2 mm spring bar tool or small flat screwdriver to unhook the clasp from the mesh end. You want the band flat on a soft pad so pins won't fly away. Once the clasp is open, inspect the mesh tip. If it's frayed, trim 1-2 mm cleanly and flatten the end with needle nose pliers. This gives you a clean, stable edge to refit the clasp and prevents future slippage. Now replace and secure the pin. Measure the original pin and pick a replacement 0.81-2 mm diameter that matches length. Thread the clasp over the mesh slot and feed the new pin through the clasp hole and mesh, making sure the weave sits evenly around the pin. Once the pin protrudes, compress it with jeweler's pliers so the ends are flush. This locks the mesh without crushing it. Make sure the clasp opens smoothly before moving on. Finish by testing and fine-tuning. Open and close the clasp 10 times while holding the band tension to confirm no movement. If you detect slip, tighten the pin incrementally with pliers or retrim and reflatten the mesh edge so it grips better. If slippage still persists, apply a tiny dab of low-strength metal thread locker where the pin seats. Let it cure and retest. If the clasp still fails, replace the clasp assembly. Do not overcompress the mesh or you'll weaken the weave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.